Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to advance in Subnautica. To begin your journey, focus on gathering basic resources like titanium and copper to craft essential tools. The scanner is your first and most important item, allowing you to discover new blueprints. Next, build a habitat builder to establish a safe base. Remember to always monitor your oxygen and health, as the ocean can be unforgiving. Staying prepared is key to surviving the initial challenges, and once you have your basic tools, focus on crafting a sea glide. This invaluable device significantly increases your swim speed and provides light, making early exploration much safer. Establish a small base, even a single compartment with a fabricator and a few storage lockers, to process resources and store your findings. Explore the safe shallows and nearby kelp forests to gather crucial materials like copper, titanium, and creepvine samples, vital for early upgrades. With your wet blooming polish layer, use a dotting tool or a fine detail brush to create your desired patterns. You'll notice the colors gently spreading and blending, forming beautiful, organic designs like marble or floral patterns. Give the polish about 10 to 15 seconds to fully bloom and achieve its unique watercolor or smoke effect. This short waiting period is key to the transformation. In the late game, your primary objectives shift towards understanding and resolving the Kara bacterium. You'll need to locate and explore the alien thermal plant and the primary containment facility, crucial for advancing the main storyline. Once you've cured the infection and disabled the quarantine enforcement platform, your final goal is to construct the Neptune escape rocket. Gather all necessary components to build and launch the rocket, finally escaping the alien planet and completing your incredible journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.